Hello, everybody. Today I will continue with our lesson. Today we will learn about button. Button is the element that allows the user to click to invoke the event or to run a method in code behind. Now we have look at the backup. The last video we learned about password box. Now we learn about button. Just try to remove it and I create a new one. It's called button page. And I create second now the same and the same again and again. I will get padding 20 and spacing 10. Now just create a button. Just create button here and content. Content is the text that allow you see on the button, like this is button, this button. Okay, and click and create event button click. Just save and run application. It will be work. Oh no, don't forget it's left on. I can't hear button page. Try again. Here, yes, this is button, this button, and remove this one. And now create the text block and name button text so and go to definition button text. Oh, what's wrong? Fine. Type block is name button text so. Dot text. What's wrong? Type block. Close type block. Text. Nothing. Button text so. Just save it and go to stop first. Button text so dot text equal button click. Okay, run again. Yes, click button click. Now we continue. Just simple. We continue with some property. Now go to button and apply some property. Just format code for easy to use, easy to look. We have background. I set light blue. And we have foreground. Foreground. Dark blue. And font size 20 and width 200, height 80 and corner 40. corner of this 10. Now look at the app. What different? Wow, this is the button style here. This all attribute. Control KD for mother code here. Okay, this is the property of the button. You can find more property in the button in the Microsoft document. Okay, let's continue button. You see there is the button, and now I want to remove content, the content, and I want to remove here too, and create the button full button tag / button, and you can store inline element. One inline element can store in the button tag. Now I set tag block and set the tag this tag block in button. Just save it and look at the app. Yes, tag block. But I want to saw the icon with the tag. Okay, you can use it too. You can use it by using stack canal, because stack canal can store multiple UI elements. Okay, now start with stack canal. And you can try with image, or you can try with font icon. I introduce you font icon and clip and type follow me. You can find it on internet. There are more in bin H E A F A. No, A. And margin. Oh, something wrong. No, sorry. Oh, semicolon. Margin 005 and 0. And now this is the icon, and create a new one element, tag block, and accept tag, accept, save it. Look at the button here, and now button icon with tag icon in above and accept is below. Also accept. Yes, that's right. And this is the button with icon and tag. Now I want to icon at the left and accept at the right. So we use orientation, horizontal. Just save it and look at again. Wow. Button accept. Now I want some space. Space. Right. Look at again. Yeah, space. Make more clear. 20. Look at again. Wow. It's more space. It's easy. Now I create the other button here. Create button. Just tag. And sorry, content, button icon. I create icon property. we can use icon. Oh no, maybe it's not similar to foundation. So button in WinUI element, there is no icon property built-in. Okay, just try about. And now you will understand well about button some property are button, and button can store one element, but in one element like sectional can store multiple element more. So if you want multiple element or UI, you can use sectional in button and store everything here. Okay. This is a simple and simple. Okay. These are 4 buttons. We will continue with the other element. Now I create an element with here is type block, and now I try button or button, but toggle button. Okay, let's try with toggle button. And h dot name call my toggle button and content toggle me, and continue. No, don't continue, just look at the app first. Here, this is the toggle button. Okay, in toggle button, you need 2 events. One toggle button on and one toggle button off. So you need 2 events for check and uncheck. Okay, check. Create check here and create event and other and check here and create event, and I will create new type block above, and so if no if check no check to goal button. Okay, stop here and go to definition. So I just try to, this is check one, just try to so to go button. Oh, I forget the code name with tag again. Sorry, definition then dot tag. Okay, to go button check, and here and check. Just save it and run application. Okay, let's try. Toggle me button is checked, and press again, button is unchecked. Okay, so this is the toggle button. Now I want you to know more about button template, custom button template. Let's demo here, and here too and try custom button template. Remove it too and create button dot template. Close. Is that work? Does not have a value. Okay, try create a value. So value is control template. When we create a control template, we must to specify the control type. So target type is button. And now we apply some property like border, background, orange, corner, radius 10, padding 10. Okay, close the border. Now just save it and look at something wrong. Okay, run again. Let me look at the button. Here, this is the button. Where does tag? Okay, the button can store tag to this content, so I can set this is custom button. Just save it and look at app. Oh no, just stop and run again. No, not display the button. Something wrong. Try to remove here and content. No, we cannot see content. Just save here and look at. Just stop it and run again. No, there is no. And now I have some content presentation where I just be here. Just try it. I'm learning too. Oh, hey, here this is. We need to content presenter for display the button. Now I just try to remove here or cut here, remove this one and here, save it. It's work or not? Yeah, it's work normal. So this is how to use button template. No, I never use it. I just use simple. This one I just test it. Test it with you. Now it's work. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.